Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can basically change the background on your TikTok live. So select the camera button here, which is the plus button, and then I'm going to go to the live section of TikTok, obviously. Then you are going to go here and select device camera, and can I even like select the, well, there's going to be effects. I don't know why it's bugging. Okay, there it is. I want to do device camera. Then you are going to select effects, and you're going to select this one with the like green screen here, and you're basically going to select an image. It's the first one. I don't know why it's taking so long to load. You can also use this one, but as you can see, you can use this one. Select the background like so, and then that is it. It's just basically the same as using green screen though. And that is it for this video. That's how you can do it. Once you're done, just select go live, and that's pretty much how you can change the background of your live on TikTok. You can do it on your phone. You can also do it on TikTok Live Studio. I might do a tutorial on that as well. But yeah, that is it. Again, it's in device camera, it's in effects, and it's this green screen one. And I'm not going to show myself, but when your camera is on, it's just going to be on the background, and it's going to automatically become a green screen. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, don't forget to share this video. Goodbye.